Feeling like cooking something Italian? Well, all these ingredients are what you need to make my eggplant involtini with tomato capsicum sauce from the autumn chapter of my book, Tasteful, by Naomi Crescente, me. You'll need 2 cloves of garlic, crush them and saute them with a tablespoon of olive oil. Then add 1 cup of chopped crustless stale bread and a teaspoon of salt. Cook until golden brown and toasted, then remove from the pan. Add some more oil and saute 1 finely chopped onion and 1 small red capsicum that has also been finely chopped. Saute until very, very tender. Then add half a cup of wine or stock and 400-gram can of chopped tomatoes. Simmer until thickened, and then season with salt and a little sugar if needed. Cut 2 large eggplants into 12 slices and brush with extra virgin olive oil. Char grill them on a hot pan on one side. Break up 500 grams of fresh ricotta with a fork. Add the toasted crumbs, 1/4 of a cup of toasted pine nuts, half a cup of chopped basil, or you can use parsley, and give it a mix. Divide the mixture evenly between the 12 slices and roll up into involtini. Portion 3/4 of the sauce in the base of the dish, nestle the involtini in, top with the remainder of the sauce, and sprinkle with 1 cup of grated provolone or mozzarella. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes until golden brown, and then sprinkle with extra toasted pine nuts and fresh basil leaves. Yum!